Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell here at Snow Joe, and today we're going to be taking a look at our cordless portable pressure washer. That's right, we've got the PW1200 here, which allows you to cut the cord not just to the outlet, but also to the hose. So let's take a look at it. Now, the easiest thing to get assembled on this is just adding the bucket. There's a small port on the bottom here that matches up with a port on the top of our pressure washing unit here. You just slot those together, throw these locks on either side, snap them in like that, and the bucket is ready to go. You can fill this up with whatever freshwater source you have available to you, whether it's a lake, whether it's a pond, whether it's a hose, whether it's even your pool. With that 6.6 gallon capacity, you can fill it up wherever is most convenient for you, throw the lid on and lock it on, and have your water source ready to go whenever you need it. This also comes with a 20-foot high pressure hose threaded on to the back of our pressure washer over on this side and locks in to our wand handle here. Pull the trap shut and it's nice and locked in. Now with our spray wand, we have a couple of options. This extension makes it up to 34 inches and it has a brass quick connect at the tip, which takes our multi-head that just snaps into that quick connect. The Quick Connect multi-head has 5 different spray options. We've got our 0-degree high pressure spray here, taking full use of that 1,196 PSI, 15-degree spray, 40-degree, 40-degree plus for gentler spray, and then 0-degree plus for a shower spray. The extension can also be taken off the wand and replaced with a foam cannon that just twists in like that, and you're ready to foam up anything that you want to wash before you rinse it down. Powering the PW1200 are two 24-volt batteries. These 24-volt batteries combine together to create a 48-volt system that runs that powerful 600-watt motor in the pressure washer. You turn the power on here. You've got 2 settings as well. The high output setting regulates at 800 PSI and the low setting 650 PSI. You're gonna get a total of 20 minutes of rechargeable runtime off of 2 4-amp-hour batteries, which are the blue batteries that come with the unit. If you still need to cut the cord to the power, but have a hose available, we've got you covered as well. Take a look at this. With the bucket removed, this is the top of the pressure washer with a convenient carry handle there. But we also have this nozzle. We can replace this with a quick connect that comes with your pressure washer so that you can plug your hose directly into this spot. And it's as simple to change as this. Tie the other half of the quick connect fitting to your garden hose and snap them together just like that, and you're ready to turn on and get to power washing. So now that you know how this works, you're ready to cut the cord to the wall outlet and to the hose spigot and get ready to wash wherever you need it. All with the help of the cordless portable pressure washer from Sun Joe.